Let's talk about Python. Python has an interesting ability to return multiple variables from a function, and C++ and Java do not have that by default. So this is a benefit that Python has over those. Note that in Python, when you define a variable within a function like up here, it is local to that function unless you tell it otherwise. So we'll go through that and you'll see clearly what it means. That's what this example does. But we'll do two things today. We will show how to return multiple variables from a function, and we'll also show that variables are local to a function. Okay? So here is the function that we're going to be using. We're going to call it getPerson. We're going to define name, and we're going to put Jerry in there. Jerry is age 35 and his country is America. And when we're done with that, we're going to return these three values. Okay? Now, as part of this demonstration, we're going to create, see these same three variables, name, age, and country? Name, age, country. We're going to recreate these here in the main program, and we're going to put different values in there. And this is part of our demonstration about what's local versus what's a global variable. Okay, so here we're going to call the function up here, getPerson, and we're going to accept back. You notice that our function returns three variables, name, age, and country, and we're going to return these back, and they will go into name, age, and country. So it will return these three fields. This function will return these three variables from these three. Okay, so then we will print name, age, and country. They come back in the same order that they were returned. So name will come here, age will come here, and country will come there. And again, we'll just print those out. Okay, so then we'll print a blank line and then just a header to let us know what's following. Now we're going to print name, which is the same variable as this, and the same variable as this, age, which is the same as this, and country, which is the same as this and this. Now, when we do that, let's just run it and take a look. Run module. Okay, over here we have the first three print statements. Printed name, which is Jerry, which we got from up here, age 35, which we also got returned back from our function, and then America, which we got back from country. Now notice here, main program variables, they came from here. We printed name. Well, this is the same variable as here. It did not print Jerry, it printed Mary. It printed it from here. It printed Mary's age as 22, and it printed Mary's country as Germany. So this is what is meant by a variable within a function is local. This variable right here is unknown to the rest of the program. So what happens is this value is placed in here, and this is returned back to here. But otherwise, this part of the program has no idea what happened up in here. So that's what is meant by a local variable. This name is local to getPerson only, okay? So that's pretty much it. It's relatively simple. This is a very good example to keep on file for when you're doing functions and you need multiple variables returned. And it's also a very good reminder that Python uses local variables in its functions. Okay, well that was it for today. I hope you found it useful and interesting in your Python programming.